Hey everyone, have big news from Team Teddy DAO. Today we are very excited to present to both future Teddies and our current Teddy holders alike a brand new integrated feature that has been added right to our homepage. So we're going to take a look on how to use the Squid router bridge. So if you're coming from any other EVM based ecosystem, now you can easily transform whatever home token you have, maybe on ETH or maybe it's ETH on Arbitrum or something like that, and you can swap that over for Glimmer tokens right here on the Moonbeam network, which is the primary EVM chain in the Polkadot ecosystem. So doing this will allow you to then go ahead and make that bid on your Teddy, and 100% of your funds, of course, are going to support charity. But let's take a look and I'll show you a quick tutorial for how to do this.
Okay, so let's start off by visiting our homepage, which is teddydao.org. When you go to the homepage, you will see your many familiar settings, including just information about the protocol, such as how it works, documents, the community, leaderboard, toy box. But you'll notice there is a new tab that says Bridge, and it has new highlighting it. So when you click the new Bridge tab, this will take you to the bridge, which you can see here. And you're bridging effectively any EVM token to the Glimmer, to Moonbeam, the network for Glimmer tokens. So if I wanted to move Ethereum, for instance, and I would just go ahead and connect wallet. So I'll connect my MetaMask here for this demonstration. Now the wallet that I usually use for all my Teddy DAO is this one ending in CED. So I'm going to connect this particular one. So I'm going to use the same wallet, but you could be sending it from one wallet to another. So now in this case, because my MetaMask is already connected to the Moonbeam network, I'm going to have to switch the network over here just briefly to go to Ethereum. And then this will allow me to use the same exact wallet. I think I have a little bit of ETH in here, which I do. So if I just click now, I would not recommend necessarily using Ethereum. There are many other less expensive options, such as different networks, which you can see here, all the different chains that are supported. So if you have Ethereum, for instance, on Coinbase, Linea, any of these that are familiar, you can move that from there, of course, from our friends in the Cosmos ecosystem, many different entry points, as you can see, because a lot of the underlying tech is done by Axelar. So a lot of different options to move from different chains all the way into the Polkadot ecosystem and to get some Moonbeam on the Moonbeam network, get the Glimmer tokens. But I'm just going to, for the sake of demonstration, keep it pretty easy and just go ahead and send over a little bit of Ethereum. Now, in this case, I might even bump up the number because it's probably not going to be worth it for me to do the gas. So I'll probably just go to 0.25. So I have a little bit of Glimmer now in my wallet. And so when I submit this, you'll notice that it will come up with a confirmation. So you're going to confirm. And it does take a little bit for the tokens to show up into your MetaMask network back onto the Glimmer or the Moonbeam network, and you'll have the Glimmer tokens. So it says it takes about 20 seconds. Of course, you can always check your transaction by clicking this view button. This will walk you through everything that's showing where the tokens are being routed. And then eventually they will show up in your MetaMask, which we'll see upon completion. So the transaction has completed, as you can see here, which was actually quite fast. Sometimes these they take a little bit longer, but now when I hit done, when I go back to the actual auction page, I will have a lot more Glimmer in this particular wallet. So just going to once again connect it. Might have, that's because I'm still on Ethereum. So you can see I have the new amount of Glimmer in here. I'm just going to connect the wallet, which is now going to be on Moonbeam. I just needed to refresh it. And so once I have it in here, I can go ahead and place my bid. Why not 42 Glimmer, the answer to life, universe, and everything. Of course, Kitty King likes cats protection, but you're welcome to choose any number of the charities in the JustGiving network, knowing that 100% of your funds will support charity. So I just go ahead and place my bid on today's Teddy. And I have some additional Glimmer as well that will be set aside in the same wallet for Teddies. And this concludes this part of the tutorial. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in our Discord server.
And now that I have the Glimmer in my wallet and concluded the transaction, hopefully I'll be the lucky winner to get today's Teddy. Thanks so much for being a part of Teddy DAO and helping spread the news. We're always trying to educate others. So if you're new to the Polkadot ecosystem, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. If you're not familiar with using the Squid router type Liquidity application layer, it's a really cool product and it will connect you to a lot of different chains, but hopefully keep those donations flowing to Teddy DAO. Thanks so much and happy bidding.